2011 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, one owner, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, rear window defroster, power windows, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, CD player, electronic stability control, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror, rear window wiper, front bucket seats. Come see the car for yourself.